Oh yeah, I finally got it. Shit's about to get real. This is the real disc 1 of Pure Moods. My mood purity is going to be over 9,000. I just got done listening to the X-Files remix, and I literally can't even. This is the most 90s experience of my life, and it's so invigorating. I mean, the mood right now can only be described as pure. My Pure Moods experience was so 90s that I almost went to eBay and bought myself a Blockbuster video card, and then maybe bought myself a corded phone. I was just blown away. If you like my videos, remember to ring the notification bell, or the Illuminati will face fuck you with Jimmy Kimmel and CNN videos. And you don't want that. Hey Kakistan, Prepper Chan coming at you. I want to show you a life hack, okay? This is one thing that I've learned. I'm installing this air conditioner right now, and I'm using this 2-inch wide masking tape, and I'm taping up all of my seals around the thing so that bugs won't get in. And I know a lot of people are like, bugs are just like people, and it's like, bugs are like people that don't have jobs. They'll figure out a way to get into here. So fuck bugs. Yeah, look at that, it's beautiful. The manila tape really blends well with my white window, and I made sure to get the bottom. There's always this huge like 4-inch gap right there, and really doesn't look that bad. Alright, this is frog tape right here. This shit's masking tape that's not for poor people, okay? And this shit is fucking phenomenal. I feel sorry for anybody who wouldn't buy frog tape. The shit costs about $8, and the average person in the world lives on less than $4 a day. But this is totally fucking worth it. You also absolutely have to put this shit in, or there will be like a half-inch gap, like the entire bead of where the windows come together, and that's where all your fucking bugs will come in. So fuck them. You're going to want to measure the width of your window on the inside of here, from here to here, and then you're going to want to cut your piece, typically with your fingers, about half an inch bigger than that. Because if you go half an inch smaller, or you go the right size, like, this stuff isn't going to squish in that direction. You can always make it squish smaller. As you can see, my foam is in there perfectly, and telling bugs to get the fuck out.
Normies, get out.
One of these bags of large foam will typically do 2 small window air conditioners, but you can also get creative with other shit. You can't see? Yeah? Is it too foggy? Are you safe from the radiation? Oh yeah? That is cool. Do you feel cool? Do you feel safe? You don't feel safe? No, you're not an elephant. Yeah.